Hello everyone. Welcome back to our English learning journey. If you are a beginner, if you feel afraid of speaking English, if you think English is difficult, then this lesson is for you. Today, I will teach you English in a very simple way. No difficult grammar. No confusing rules. Only easy English. Only useful English. Only daily English. Many people believe they need thousands of English words before they can speak. That is not true. You only need the right sentences. Simple sentences. Daily sentences. Real-life sentences. Think about a small child. A child does not learn grammar first. A child listens. A child repeats. A child speaks. You can learn English the same way. Do not worry about making mistakes. Mistakes are part of learning. Every mistake makes you stronger. Every new sentence makes you more confident. Today, we will learn English step by step. Slowly. Clearly. Confidently. Please listen carefully. Repeat every sentence after me. Pause the video if you need more time. Practice every day. Even 10 minutes a day can change your English. Remember, English is not a talent. English is a skill. And every skill becomes easier with practice. So smile. Relax. Believe in yourself. Your English journey starts today. Let's begin. Now, before we learn English sentences, I want to tell you something important. Many people want to speak English, but many people give up. Do you know why? Not because English is difficult. They give up because they stop believing in themselves. Maybe you have tried to learn English before. Maybe you watched many videos. Maybe you bought books. Maybe you learned grammar. But today, you still feel nervous when you speak. That is okay. Every successful English speaker was once a beginner. Nobody was born speaking English. Everyone started with simple words. Simple sentences. Simple conversations. You can do the same. Never compare yourself with other people. Compare yourself with yesterday. If today you learn one new sentence, you are improving. If tomorrow you learn another sentence, you are improving again. Small steps create big results. Remember this. One sentence every day becomes 365 sentences in 1 year. One new word every day becomes hundreds of words. Practice is more powerful than perfection. Do not wait to become perfect. Start speaking today. Speak slowly. Speak clearly. Speak with confidence. If you make a mistake, smile. Correct it. Try again. That is how learning works. Children make many mistakes, but they never stop speaking. That is why they become fluent. You should do the same. Do not fear mistakes. Fear giving up. Believe in yourself. Believe in your progress. Believe that every day you are becoming better. Today, you are stronger than yesterday. Tomorrow, you will be stronger than today. English is not impossible. English is possible. You only need 3 things. Listen. Repeat. Practice. Listen every day. Repeat every sentence. Practice without stopping. Soon, you will understand more. Soon, you will speak. Daily routine sentences. Mia wakes up at 7 o'clock in the morning. She says, "Good morning," to her family. First, she brushes her teeth and washes her face. Then, she puts on her school clothes. Next, Mia eats breakfast with her mom and dad. She likes eggs, bread, and milk. "Yum," she says. After breakfast, she packs her school bag with books and a water bottle. Mia goes to school by bus. At school, she learns numbers, letters, and stories. She plays with her friends in the playground. She runs, jumps, and laughs a lot. In the afternoon, Mia comes home. She eats a snack like fruit and yogurt. Then, she does her homework for a short time. After that, she plays outside with her ball or rides her bicycle. In the evening, Mia helps set the table for dinner. She eats rice, vegetables, and chicken with her family. They talk about their day. After dinner, she reads a picture book or draws a picture. At 8 o'clock, Mia takes a bath and puts on her pajamas. She says good night to everyone. Then, she goes to bed and sleeps happily. This is Mia's day. She is a good girl who learns and plays every day.